Hey Mickey, can I tell you something? What, Biscuit? You're an annoying mouse. You have three stupid shows on Disney Junior, and you have a stupid look. Hey! Yay! I cannot believe I get to roast Mickey. That was awesome! Yay! Now I can go watch Caillou. Alright, let's go. Not so fast. Hey, what are you guys doing in my way? Well, I saw Mickey go to his room looking sad. What did you do to him? I roasted him and he deserves it. Oh. Biscuit, how dare you roast Mickey? That's it. You're grounded until Plush Star gets 3,000 subscribers. Go to your room now. Wah!